Ever wondered what cryptocurrencies are and how they work? Let's dive in. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies secured by cryptography, making them nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. They're powered by a technology called blockchain, which is essentially a digital ledger of all transactions accessible by everyone on the network. This fascinating world of crypto opens up a realm of possibilities. In essence, cryptocurrencies are digital assets that offer a new way of handling money. So, how do these digital currencies work, you might ask? Well, it all boils down to a technology called blockchain. This is a public ledger containing all transaction data from anyone who uses Bitcoin or other digital currencies. Transactions are recorded in blocks that are then linked together on a chain of previous cryptocurrency transactions. Now, let's talk about mining. It's not about pickaxes and hard hats, but it is a way of validating transactions and creating new coins. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex problems. Once a problem is solved, the transaction is validated and a new block is added to the blockchain. And remember, one of the major appeals of cryptocurrencies is their anonymity and security. They offer a level of privacy and safety that traditional currencies can't match. Therefore, cryptocurrencies are not just digital currencies, they represent a revolutionary technology. Now that we understand what cryptocurrencies are and how they work, what are the three most important ones? First up, we have Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, the one that started it all. Bitcoin's decentralized nature and limited supply make it a digital version of gold. Then there's Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum isn't just a currency, it's a platform. Its unique feature is the ability to create smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. Lastly, we have Ripple. Ripple stands out due to its focus on international transactions, aiming to make them faster and cheaper. These three cryptocurrencies represent the potential and diversity of this digital asset class.